This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Nutella-covered strawberries. First, select ripe, firm strawberries and wash them thoroughly under cool water. It is absolutely crucial to dry them completely. Any moisture will prevent the Nutella from sticking properly. Next, gather your simple ingredients: a jar of creamy Nutella, your clean strawberries, and any fun toppings you might want to add later. Finally, line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy handling. Now, let's prepare the star ingredient, Nutella. Spoon your desired amount into a microwave-safe bowl. Warm it gently in the microwave for about 30 seconds on medium power. After heating, stir the Nutella thoroughly until it achieves a smooth, pourable, and easily dippable consistency. If it's still too thick, you can warm it for another 10 to 15 seconds, but be careful not to overheat it, as this can make it too oily and difficult to work with. With your Nutella perfectly melted, it's time for the fun part: dipping. Hold each clean, dry strawberry by its green stem. Dip the strawberry into the warm Nutella, rotating it gently to ensure it's completely and evenly coated. Lift it out, allowing any excess Nutella to drip back into the bowl. If you're adding toppings like chopped nuts or sprinkles, do so immediately after dipping, while the Nutella is still warm and sticky. This ensures they adhere beautifully. Once dipped and decorated, carefully place each strawberry onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Make sure they aren't touching each other to prevent sticking. Now, transfer the baking sheet to the refrigerator. Allow the strawberries to chill for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This crucial step lets the Nutella firm up and set perfectly, ensuring a clean, delicious bite every time. Once firm, your delightful Nutella-covered strawberries are ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.